In the heart of Delhi NCR, Surajmal Vihar and Indrapuram stand as bustling urban hubs. Amid this thriving landscape, the need for exceptional healthcare, especially eye care, has never been greater. Answering this call with dedication and expertise is Shreya Eye Center. Founded by Dr. Rakesh Gupta in 2008. What began as a small OPD facility has flourished into a leading eye care hospital, now synonymous with trust, quality, and innovation. Over the years, Shreya Eye Center has continuously evolved. In 2014, the center introduced advanced LASIK surgery, providing life-changing vision correction to countless patients. In 2017, we achieved NABHA accreditation, continuing our legacy of firsts. In 2022, Shreya Eye Center became the first in the area to introduce mobile robotic laser cataract surgery, setting a new standard in precision and patient care. And in 2024, we were proud to bring Clear technology, further enhancing our advanced treatment offerings. With over 3 lakh happy patients and 80,000 plus successful surgeries, Shreya Eye Center is proud to be a trusted name in eye care. Our reputation is built not just on our results, but on the personalized experience we provide to every individual who walks through our doors. Our advanced services cover a wide spectrum of eye care needs, from cutting-edge specs removal procedures like Clear to comprehensive treatments for cataracts, glaucoma, retinal disorders, and more. At Shreya Eye Center, we believe that every eye deserves the best care possible. With 2 state-of-the-art centers, one in Surajmal Vihar and the other in Indrapuram, Shreya Eye Center is positioned to serve more and more communities with world-class eye care. Our facilities are designed with patient comfort and safety in mind, ensuring a seamless and stress-free experience. At both locations, we are equipped with the latest diagnostic and surgical technologies, supported by a team of highly skilled professionals. Our compassionate approach and personalized care ensure that each visit to Shreya Eye Center is one where patients leave with confidence and satisfaction.
2008 में मैंने एक सपना देखा था, एक ऐसी सुविधा उपलब्ध कराई जाए जिसमें कि लोगों को आधुनिक तकनीक से आंखों की हर केयर मिल पाए, उचित दामों पे और एथिकल प्रैक्टिस द्वारा। मैं इस बात के लिए मुझे बहुत गौरवान्वित महसूस करता हूं कि श्रेया आई सेंटर ईस्ट दिल्ली, गाजियाबाद, नोएडा में सबसे आधुनिक तकनीक, सबसे उचित दामों पर और इस तरह से मुहैया करा रहा है कि लोगों को एक विश्वास जीत पा रहा है।
At Shreya Eye Center, your vision is our priority, and we invite you to experience eye care that is truly world class. Visit us at Shreya Eye Center, where your vision is in safe hands.